up YouTube? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always, we have our lovely mom.
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
Anyways guys, if you're ever interested in making Botswana spaghetti, that's what we're doing today, so make sure you stick to the end of the video. Make sure to also like, comment and subscribe to help the video move forward. Anyways guys, next is our ingredients. Tomato, pepper, cabbage, fresh pepper, onion, you know,
spring
onion, tomato.
That's it.
Yeah, your red tomato.
Bay leaf.
And bay leaf.
Seasoning.
Yep. And then
coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Trust us, cannot do without using coconut oil.
And our spaghetti.
Yeah. Then we have our beef. Cow meat.
And we have our cow beef. Nice to wash it and
dice
then
it.
You know.
Dice it and basically.
Alright guys, those are the ingredients nice to get cooking.
And this is my water. I'm going to be adding turmeric to boost the color. Jeff, please, you're going to break it. Okay, that's olive oil. Bring it. Let's drop a little. Bring it. No stick. I believe everyone knows how to cook spaghetti. So this is the beef. Jeff will be blending it, but let's just cut it into tiny pieces so it will not stress the blender. Careful. So this other one I will chop it like the way I will chop my veggies. Then you put pepper, garlic. I will add my spring onion. I have to wash it. I'm done cutting my veggies. This is the beef. Jeff has blended it. I will be turning it into my pan. Maybe just a little salt, seasoning. Here is my garlic. So, as you can see, it's progressing. So I'll be adding this bay leaf to it. Just cover it. Oh my God! Even the neighbors know that something is happening in my house, in my kitchen. So, friends, as you can see, the beef have brought out its own water. So we allow the water to dry a bit. This is it. So now I'm putting my coconut oil. It smells good. Next I'll be adding my veggies. So here we go. Tomato last for garnishing. Very well. I think I should add a little curry. Okay, there's no need to add curry. It's okay like this.
Okay guys, we are done, we are back, and as you can see, the food is ready.
You know what, let me take off this so that I can do justice to it. Yeah.
Anyways guys, as you can see, the food came out well. It came out nice. Spaghetti with the sauce, and mom says
Botswana.
I don't say Botswanese. Botswana dish.
Spaghetti. Yeah.
Spaghetti
so,
with the sauce.
I said it, if you are Botswana, if my subscribers, if I have any Botswana fans or please comment. If you are there, comment please. Okay, come with us.
So guys,
let's test it. And you know what, I want to tell people, this food is very cheap. Actually, it's very cheap. It's less than $5 or $5. So as you can see, it looks very rich.
I just want to go big into this. Not give subscribers to that.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
And guys, join me.
Oh my people, I'm sorry. Please, This is for you guys. Thank you for always being here for me. I love you guys.
Anyways guys, thanks for the 100 sub. Wow, 100 sub and we're climbing.
Yeah, we're going. So, what you want us to do, let us know. Comment, Shouldn't talk much so I will not get choked.
This is good.
I don't want to say it so that you won't look as if I'm the one praising myself. You really need to try this. Try it, then you will know how good it is. So I will eat behind the camera, please. Because it's taking me.
Okay. Finish it after. Off camera. Anyways,
Thank you guys.
Lovely. One word that describes this dish is delicious. Okay, one word is not enough. Delicious, lovely, and just superb. Anyways, guys, you can try this easy. Less than 10 minutes, you're done with making the sauce and everything. Cheap,
very affordable,
cost efficient. Don't forget to like this video because we need to keep climbing. So, anyways, guys, that's it for this video. It's been lovely. It's been fun. See you in the next one. Eat healthy, stay healthy. Peace.
Bye.